This video, we're going to do some problem solving with hyperbolas. You're going to need your calculator to help you solve these problems. So I've got it out here. In the first problem, I'm going to put my center at 0, 0 there where my x-axis and y-axis cross. They've drawn that coordinate axis for me. That means at this point over here, because they tell me that A and B are 5 meters, has an x-coordinate of 5. A y-coordinate of h that I'm trying to solve for. So h squared minus 5 squared is equal to 60. H squared minus 25 equals 60. H squared equals 85. And h is going to be about 9.2 meters. Now we have another building that has a roof with the shape of a hyperbola, and it's defined by y squared minus x squared equals 53, where x and y are also in meters. They want us to determine the entire width of the building, which is going to be 2x. So this is going to be 0, 0. This is going to be my x, and they tell me that my height is 11 there. So 11 squared minus x squared is going to be equal to 53. W is going to be 2x. So 121 minus x squared equals 53. 53 minus 121, negative 68. So x squared equals 68. X equals the square root of 68. And W equals 2 root 68. It's going to be about 16.5 meters. Finally, we've got a comet here that's going to travel in a hyperbolic path that's defined by x squared over 23 minus y squared over 11 is equal to 1. This distance between the center that's at 0, 0 and the focus, which is the sun, is going to be a distance called c. And this distance between the vertex and the center here is going to be called A. Remember that A goes with the positive portion here. So A is the square root of 23. And in a hyperbola, A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So 23 plus 11 is C squared. And 34 is C squared. So C is root 34. So we're going to have big distance of C minus A. For little distance, it's going to be root 34 minus root 23. It's going to be equal to approximately 1.0 million. I assume this is going to be miles, but they didn't tell me what the distance is here, whether it's miles or meters or something like that. They forgot to put the unit in here, but it's 1.0 million, whatever my units are. Okay. That's it for this video, and that's it for this chapter, and that's it for the pre-calculus series. We're done with all the videos. I hope that this was helpful, and I'll see you all for the next video series. Most of you, when you're done with this, will be starting Calculus with Analytic Geometry Part 1, Math 263. So be on the lookout for the Math 263 videos on my website and for the playlist on my YouTube channel.